around it. Yeah. Yes. Let's go ahead and have a seat. Coagulating our honeybees around the hive.
Harmonic.
Particle.
Cohesion.
Pineal gland activation.
All one.
Hive Consciousness.
Imagine all the particles in every cell of your organism in sync with each other. Every particle vibrating harmoniously, communicating spontaneously,
Quietly. Effortlessly. Continually.
Now imagine every person on this planet as a particle in a cell of an organism called the universe. Every particle vibrating harmoniously, communicating spontaneously,
Quietly. Effortlessly. Continually.
The purpose of the beehive is not to provide honey for human consumption or profit, but to connect
Every living thing.
to each other with
Sound vibration.
honey in its raw form, made by bees left to their own design,
Is a gift.
Is a gift.
a sacrament. Taken in this way, it is medicine, a vehicle for the flow of
Life source energy.
Sound vibration without thought is like honey, a vehicle for the flow of
Life source energy.
opening the channels of communication between every particle, every cell in our organisms, and
Every living thing in the universe.
We are forming creation with sound vibration.
We are forming creation with sound vibration.
Forming crystals in every droplet of fluid in our organisms and in
Every living thing.
in the universe. Allow it to saturate your cells, opening the channels of communication between every particle, every cell in your organism, and
Every living thing in the universe. Harmonic particles, cohesion, pineal gland activation, all one, Hive Consciousness.
Place the tip of your tongue inside your lower teeth. And the belly of your tongue arches upward to contact the roof of your mouth. The articulation is boom. And the